Welcome children in chemistry class. Children, today I am going to explain you Boyle's law. Robert Boyle systematically studied the relationship between pressure and volume. Between pressure and volume at constant temperature. Then he found a relationship between pressure and volume, and with the help of that he has formulated law that is called Boyle's law. So he studied a relationship between pressure of gas, and its volume at constant temperature. Constant temperature. He found at constant temperature the volume of fixed mass of gas goes on decreasing as the pressure increased. At constant temperature, volume of fixed mass of gas goes on decreasing on increasing pressure. So when pressure increases, volume of the gas is going to decrease. He had shown the relation with the help of a graph. This is the y-axis and x-axis. On the x-axis has taken, this is the x-axis, on this has taken pressure, and on the y-axis has taken volume. Then graph was coming like this. It means when pressure is low, volume of gas is maximum, but as pressure is going to increase, volume of the gas is going to decrease. So the behavior was generalized and was named as Boyle's law after Robert Boyle, because Robert Boyle studied relationship between pressure and volume of a fixed mass of gas at constant temperature. Then what relationship he found? On increasing the pressure, volume of gas is going to decrease. So what law Robert Boyle had given? That is temperature remaining constant. Temperature remaining constant. The volume of a given mass of dry gas is inversely proportional to its pressure. So volume of gas is inversely proportional to its pressure. It means V proportional 1 upon P, T is constant. In that V is the volume, P is the pressure, and T is temperature. So V proportional 1 upon P. So according to Boyle's law, there V proportional 1 upon P, T constant, then V is equal to K 1 upon P. Now K is constant, then PV is equal to K. So this PV is equal to K and K is constant. It means product of volume and pressure is always constant. When volume increase, pressure increase, volume decrease, or pressure decrease, volume increase. If the particular mass of gas occupies volume V1 at pressure P1, then and volume V2 at pressure P2. Then according to Boyle's law, P1 V1 equal to P2 V2. So this is called Boyle's law equation. Boyle's law equation. Using this Boyle's law equation, we can calculate the volume or pressure.